Good morning, class. How are you all? Hoping that you all are fine and safe at your place. So today we'll be doing the part 2 of third chapter, that is changes in transport system. So children, before we start the new topic, let us recall what we have learned about in last class. Okay? So in last class we have discussed about the travel and transport. We have to travel because of the different reasons. If we want to meet with our friends, our relatives, if we want to go in another country, so we have to travel. And what is the transport? Transport, it is the way in which people, animals or things are carried from one place to another. Also in last video we have discussed about the means of transport. There are three means of transport: land transport, water transport and road transport. Also we have discussed about the how means of transport came into being and the invention of the wheel, which brought a revolutionary change in the field of transport. So today will be discussed about the early means of transport and the modern means of transport. Okay children, so let us see how people travel in the past in 1 hour. In 1 hour, how much they travel in the past, and we'll compare that with the present scenario. Okay, so in the past, students, they used to cover 9 kilometers in an hour, right? And today also, students, it's same 9 kilometers by walk. Okay, so that means there is no difference in early means of transport, or you can say modern means of transport, if you are traveling by walk. Now the next one is steam train. It was invented in 1860, but it just covers 75 kilometers an hour. Whereas now children, we have world fastest electric train and it covers 300 kilometers an hour. Okay, it is the world fastest electric train which covers 300 kilometers an hour. So there is a huge difference between 75 kilometers an hour and 300 kilometers an hour. Now the early motor car. It was invented in 1913. That time we cover only 25 kilometers an hour if we have to travel from one city to another city or one place to another. But today, if by the aeroplane, we can cover around 1000 kilometers an hour. Means 1 hour में how much we cover? 1000 kilometers. So there's also huge difference, right? See, in the last slide we learned how people travel, but in this slide we'll discuss about the transportation of goods. Okay, so initially the oldest form of transporting goods is human. Okay, human carry the goods on their back and they travel one place to another. But so now we'll compare like in the past how goods were transported in the past and how much time it will take and how much distance they cover, and we'll compare it by present, means today's scenario. Okay, so in earlier time, okay, people transport the goods by the oxen, okay, and they cover just 15 kilometers a day. But today we transport the goods by the goods train, जिसको हिंदी में हम क्या कहते हैं, मालगाड़ी, and it will cover around 800 kilometers a day. So there's a huge difference between 15 kilometers a day and 800 kilometers a day. This is the difference between early means of transport and the modern means of transport, right children? Now the next one is transporting goods by pack animals like donkey, horse and camel. As you all know, earlier as a transport, okay, and if a person wants to travel from one place to another, they use the animals as a transport. So earlier, as a pack animals, donkey, horses and camels are used, and they cover just 14 kilometer a day. But today we have a huge truck which cover around 800 kilometer a day. How much it will cover? 800 kilometer a day. Okay. Now the next one is a sailing ship. Okay. So earlier, if someone want to transporting a goods, so they depend on the sailing ship, and sometimes only a few kilometer a day. It totally depend on the air. Okay, जैसे weather की air होती थी, ये वैसे move करती थी. Okay, so it's totally depend on the weather. जैसा weather होता था, if अगर airy weather है तो that day they will cover a lots of distance, और अगर weather आपका airy नहीं है तो उस समय वो कम distance cover करती थी. But in today's scenario, we have a container ship. It's a very huge, as you can see, okay, and it cover around more than 1,000 kilometer a day. See the difference between a sailing ship and the container ship. Okay, children. So this was the difference. So thank you so much, children. This is all about the early means of transport and the modern means of transport. I hope you have understand the early means of transport and the modern means of the transport, and also the benefit which we have in today's scenario. So thank you so much, children, and in our next video we'll discuss about the major invention of transport, and also we'll discuss about the benefits or you can say merit and demerit of modern means of transport. Till then, just do revision of the previous video, and do take care of yourself. Be safe, be healthy, and stay at home.